Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Travis and sit back and watch this review. Okay, that was awkward. Okay, so in this video we're gonna test out the Supergoop CC Scream. So in the past I liked their Supergoop, the SPF, the sunscreen one, because I got a sample from Sephora and I have tried that sunscreen and I really like the texture. Their sunscreen is really good, but the thing is that sunscreen for me is more like a use it alone product, not I don't feel like it's good under makeup. But this CC cream, I'm not wearing it today guys, but yesterday I tested out and I have some clips. I got the shade 226W. Okay, it claimed that it's 100% mineral CC cream, SPF 50. It's a super gentle antioxidant rich formula that delivers instant luminosity, even out skin tone, and protect from UVA and UVB rays. It's makeup meets skincare for every day, leaving your skin with a fresh natural finish. It's 100% mineral sunscreen active. It's for all skin type. It's a natural finish, oil free. Let's give you the answer straight up. Yesterday I tested out, I did not like it. Even though it say warm, W stands for warm, when I first initially apply it, I feel like it has a little bit of grayish, like what do you call it, the sunscreen film, grayish film tinted cast, white cast a little bit. This product blend beautifully on your skin. Yes, but the thing I don't like about this product is because so after a couple hours, like it feel weird. Everything like gather up, bunch up, patchy and all disgusting on my face. So yesterday I went out the whole day for like 11 hours, and after 3 hours I wore the mask and it does transfer into the mask. Hi guys, I'm checking in and right now is 12:21 and it's about 3.5 hours. When I put it on it was 9:30 something around there, but right now it does transfer on the mask. So I'll show you the picture of the mask, but look close up, it's still greasy and I feel like around my nose, I don't know, it looked more makeup-y. When I first wore it, it doesn't look as much as makeup-y as now, but now that after 3.5 hours and I wear the mask, it look more dewy, and I don't know, the CC cream tend to like bunch up. It doesn't blend now. I don't know, even though I blend really well in the beginning when I apply it, but far away is okay, but if it looks close up, it's like I don't know, it look cakey. So I will check back in a little bit more, maybe 4 more hours I will check back in. So see you guys later. Hello guys, welcome back, and right now is 5:26, so it's around 9 hours that I wore this CC cream and it's not looking very good. Oh my god, my nose is like all patchy, and because I have a lot of pores, like large pores, is not looking great either. You know, in the past I've tested out a lot of CC cream, BB cream. I try a lot of foundation, but when I try something new, I know right away that I don't like it, even if it's the first time trying it. I don't know why people on YouTube, like when I watch their review, they say that I mean, most of them say that's good, but according to my skin, it's not perfect. it's looking as a mess, and it looked patchy everywhere. Look at this, like close up, far away it look okay, but I blended the line across here. Earlier it has like a line across here. It enhanced my, I don't know, it started to create like wrinkles, even though I don't have wrinkle across my forehead. So I don't know, I have dry skin, but this CC cream make me look oily and greasy, even though I set it with 2 setting powder. I set it with airbrush, Charlie Tilbury airbrush, and the Dior no powder backstage powder, and I set with those powder, and it's still looking greasy. I wore the mask, and the mask looking very like transfer. Look at this. Disgusting. My pimple have kicking through. You see that? All show up, and oh my god, this one right here, I didn't have this in the morning, but I feel like this, oh my god. So my final thought, this CC cream is not for me. No. This is what it looked like after 11 hours. Basically, most of the makeup are gone, but I feel so disgusting. Oh my god, I can't wait to wash it off. So yeah, this is my verdict that I don't like this CC cream at all. So hopefully this video is helpful. Thumb up please on this video guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.